See any movement out there?
Too dark to tell.
I bet they're close. Watching us.
Need anything? I'll be here if you need anything.
He was joking this morning. He was a good Harper. No, he... Please, I just want to be alone. Gone? Cultists. It was so dark. I didn't realize until the children started screaming. They rounded us up. I managed to get away. But my love... I just wish I could have said goodbye. Not unless... Can you? It's hard to imagine him making it after everything that happened. It would...
See any movement out there?
Too dark to tell.
I bet they're close. Watching us.
What can I get you? pleasure? Premium trinkets and doodahs.
Indolence breeds madness. Enough waiting. I crave blood.
He wants the same thing we do. To save the city.
Last Light's best bargains, right here!
Let's get on with it.
No time to rest.
If you have an alternative in mind, please. Patience. He may know a way through the Don't even know if he'll ever recover. But we do know that
Don't be
Thought you'd be 10 yards tall. Ceres, Scout. Seems we missed one another at the Grove, but the others told me how you helped us. A pity. You pulled them from one death trap, only for me to land them in this one.
Aye, and more than half the others with him.
We were ambushed, out in the cursed lands. Cultists of this absolute. They were toying with us. Those of us who cut free just kept running till we found this place. The others... Maybe the cult got them. Maybe the curse. Zevlor had hope. It didn't save him. But...
if you have an alternative in
You're all right. Thank goodness. I keep replaying. They lined us up like dogs. Asherak was with the kids. Maybe that's why they picked him. Told him to kneel. They took his eyes first. Then his tongue. Roland, of all people, saved us. He said he stayed in the Grove because of you. And I'm damn glad of it. Without him, well, none of us would be here. Yes, Cal and Leah were dragged away, along with it. How do you do it? How do you keep going? You make it sound so easy. You've done so much for us already. If they're not dead, they're in Moonrise. And gods have mercy on anyone in that hell's pit. Thank you. Just be careful.
There's another bottle of Ar...
Jaheira said we should serve...
Jaheira didn't save your ragged little tail from the cultists. I did.
They were. And you should have been there to hear their screams when they were dragged away. If you hadn't filled their heads with all that self-righteous, heroic crap at the Grove, none of this would have happened. Dead for all I know. Or in the cult's tower with the others who were taken. They're my responsibility. You go save the world. Or your own arse. Or whatever it is you do.
What's that? I missed that! Awesome!
to save the city.
But her focus is on stopping the cult, and I suspect she'd sacrifice anyone to achieve that. Taylor's doing her best. He shows no signs of waking.
We can wait.
But Baldur's Gate can't.
If you have an alternative in mind, please do propose it. Patience. He may know a way.
shadow. But with the Oak Father's blessing, we may soon see it banished from these lands. It's not easy, seeing the ravage. You've shared your fire with me. Your company. I can think of a thing or two. But if I succeed, if I break the curse, I studied what a drow attacked me and I defended myself. Afterwards, I was able to examine the tadpole that emerged. Hideous, but fascinating. Like nothing else in nature, I'm glad to say. Hopefully, I've chosen a successor as first druid. Francesca of the High Forest. I need her to stay focused. The Grove needs... This is why I chose Francesca. Contrary to how some think of us, we druids can play those illith. There's also... I helped... If I can join you and get close to Moonrise, perhaps I can lift this curse, just as you find... Well, there's hardly anyone left to share the response. What Ketheric Thorm unleashed is not so... I studied the Shadow Curse for years, but to truly understand it and stop it, I must reach its source. This land is more than just soil and rock, root and leaf. But since the curse was unleashed, I have not felt... But if we can find him, I can't be a living... Don't worry. If you find something, miss it. Beware. I'm just glad to be out here amidst...
Any more of our people into the curse.
Any help from Jaheira?
She wants the same thing to save the city.
She doesn't care if the Grand Duke lives or dies. I wouldn't go that far. But her focus is on stopping the cult, and I suspect she'd sacrifice anyone to achieve that. He still won't speak. Just keeps going with the bloody song.
Nothing of use on his person.
His original writ of duty, signed by Eltan himself. Fella must be one of the very first Flaming Fist.
He must know something. Let's not give up on him yet. I don't suppose you found a way into the towers? I trust you will do everything you can to free the Duke. But in case you don't find a way, I'll be heading to Baldur's Gate to seek reinforcements. The Council sent a carrier pigeon with news that the city has been dealing with absolutist attacks. The Steel Watch is holding strong. I'll request that Lord Gortash send some of them to aid in the fight against Moonrise. The curse won't harm them. My role here is limited. I can be put to better use convincing the Council to send reinforcements to help rescue the Duke. With the Steel Watch at our backs, we can storm the tower whatever Ketheric throws at us, I'm sure of it. I'll do my best, but there's every chance I'll fall to the curse or the cult before I reach the city. Don't count on me and assume no aid is coming. Work with Jaheira. That Harper's mind is as sharp as her blade. Follow her guidance. Farewell. We'll meet again, God's willing.
Together, waiting for the sun. We shall our hiding place is brighter. Just what we please, together, waiting for the sun forever. You know I need a
Flame Color. That's your name, isn't it? Art Color? I'm Fistula.
Nathaniel and me are climbing up a tree.
We need you, sir. One of our own's been taken, a Grand Duke. You might know something that could help us bring him back. We found him out in the shadows, just wandering. Nothing survives out there for long. Don't know how he made it, or where he came from.
This is no physical ailment. It is a spiritual malaise. The man's mind has been gripped by the Shadowfell, yet it has not broken.
Really? Could you bring him here? You'd be glad of the help, wouldn't you, sir? You hear me, don't you, sir? You might not be able to answer, but you hear me. A century locked inside a Sharan curse will do things to a man. But you're not alone, sir. We're here with you. And I'm sure you've got relations, maybe some long-lived friends even, who want to be seeing you. Oh, if you know how to get through to him, don't hesitate.
The patient is physically well, but psychologically detached, dissociated from himself.
He's been in the Shadowfell. All memories will have been stripped away. We need to remind him who he is. Some personal effects, maybe?
His fingertips sport calluses and toughened skin, as if from manual labor, or playing a stringed instrument, perhaps.
This was in his pocket. He doesn't seem to have any reaction to it now, but he held on to it for 100 years anyway. If he does, he isn't sane.
We are so black and red. We are living. They are dead. Two of us safe. The end.
Oakfather's blessings to you. He is? Then I must see him. Insensible or not, he knows something. I will go to see him at once. Join me when you can. barricade coming along.
It ain't pretty, but it can take a beating.
It'll need to. Cleric's magic won't hold out the darkness forever.
Daniel and me are... Clive.
It's true then. He's met Thaniel. There's no other way he'd know that name. This is just what we needed. Well done. We need to wake him. He must know something about where to find Thaniel. I don't deserve you, my friend. I wonder if he can hear us.
Please, be welcome. Have a drink. To your very good health.
You perceive a faint hint of cloth grass, a herb that is said to elicit the truth. Jaheira smiles at you knowingly.
It doesn't spoil the taste, if that's what you're wondering. Indulge me.
Well, consider this an experiment, then.
Indulge me. Bottoms up. Well over a century old, and yet it hasn't lost a hint of flavor. Still not quite so sure about you, though. People tend to lose more than just flavor when illithids get their hands on them. I speak from experience. There's an air about you. Something alien. Answer me true and do not lie. The parasite is changing you, isn't it? Good. I will take your word for it. And hold you to it, too. I have every reason to be cautious. I've traced people like you. People with parasites in their brains. All the way here from Baldur's Gate. The cult of the Absolute is spreading through the city. Quietly, quickly, and with unsettling deliberation. We tracked them to this ancient village, only to be faced with a man we killed and buried over a century ago. Believe me, he was well and truly dead. I locked his corpse in the Thorn Mausoleum myself. He was a Sharan once. Took to building an army of dark justiciars beneath this very village. Alongside the local druids, we made it our business to see him deposed, dead and buried. But he's returned. Not only does General Ketheric Thorn live again, it seems he is no longer mortal. He has become, in fact, invincible. We met him on the road here, commanding an army of the Absolute, intent on destroying Baldur's Gate. I put an arrow through his eye myself, only to watch him pluck it out like a splinter. He healed right in front of me and chased us into the shadows. Things looked hopeless, but experience has taught me that no matter how bleak things look, there's always hope. You are that hope. Not immediately. Protected by your artifact, you can infiltrate his forces at Moonrise Towers, posing as a true soul. Find out what it is that makes him invincible, so we can strip him of his advantage. Once Ketheric is without his shield, the sword, together we assault his tower and put a final end to this blight. Without a cure for your infection, your days are numbered too. Yet you selflessly offer to spend them fighting alongside us. I like you. I promise I will do everything I can to make sure you survive this. Any cure starts with understanding the disease. Whatever magic Ketheric's using to control these tadpoles, it must be at Moonrise. Until then, we keep drinking wine when we meet. You're not our only secret weapon. Isobel, a faithful cleric of Selûne, and a light in the darkness. She cast the moon shield around the inn. It's the only reason we're still alive. She's upstairs in her chambers. Tell her I sent you, and she'll see you through the shadows safely.
Premium trinkets and doodahs.
Look, you're...
Action, not reaction.
What to do?
Last Light's best bargains, right here.
Just like old times. Like a wraith.
All's well that ends. Not as bad as it could have.
Ah, you. How are things? How are things? Well, I've been through worse. I'll soon be off to Moonrise Towers to look for my friend, Wulbren. I understand you might be headed in that direction as well. Oh, joy. More cultists. I'm sure I'll have no problem locating Wulbren and skipping out of there, hand in hand. Wulbren's a parochial sort. The mere sight of you would knock him out cold. Then again, my track record is, well, discouraging. But I won't stand idle. I've spotted an alchemist's scales, and had already been cooking up a little something that might help against those cultists. I'll get to work on the brilliant retort. You get to work at the towers. Deal? Very good. Now, some of us...
Last night's best bargains, right here!
I didn't realize I had an audience. The true soul who's going to save us all. I'm Isabel. Pleased to meet you. Myself and Our Lady are free from the absolutes. It's almost too good to be true. Let me guess. It hurts. It'll make you immune to the lesser, but there are places it won't help. Places where the curse is darker, stronger. The cultists are able to traverse even the deepest shadows, though. I don't know how. Selûnite magic. Good nose. Like a nasty little terrier. Good luck. While you're busy in the towers, I'll be sure to... Marcus, is that you? What's happened to you?
I've been blessed. You can be too. Come with me, and you have not known tranquility until you...
The Absolute. You can't believe them, Marcus.
He already has. Time to go is...
Moon Maiden, go...
Shall we dance?
Come along, Isabel.
You'll make excellent fertilizer.
I'll strike you down. Time to press ahead.
Need to stay focused. Better give it a try.
Your penance will be paid now. Make way.
Shall we cut and run?
I need to find a way forward. You've made a grave mistake.
Ready. Onward.
There's a parasite in that corpse, brimming with potent magic.
Isabel, are you all right?
I'm fine.
Marcus has been with us since the start. They've been tracking us this whole time. And that was no random attack. You were the target, Isabel. They know how important you are. But they don't know about you. Ketheric will strike again. We need you to strike first. Discover the source of his invulnerability. Make him mortal so we can make him bleed. Good luck.
We're in more danger than I knew. If something happens to me, pull the right prick. Selûne gave me the power to protect this place. Without me, Harper's flaming fist. But now that we have you, perhaps we... No mercy.
Down. You mean to reach Moon? The path to the towers is yet. The cultists have found a way to move. A cultist convoy crosses the land as we speak. I've readied an ambush. Say the word, and we... My feet are... But don't tarry.
A long way to go still.
Haven't we waited long enough? We'll wait as long as it takes.
As long as it takes for what?
For the winds to
All
blow
right.
in our favor.
What now?
The shadows claimed that bird. What's the news today?
Let's have some courage.
Talk to me. Time to deal some punishment.
I can't even catch my breath.
better be a soft bedroll in my near future.
Maybe I need more pockets.
Something over there.
Something to do with the Shadow Curse? I truly hope this blight isn't spreading. The animal never had a chance. The curse consumes everything it touches.
I smell a trap.
Taking position.
What now? What do I have to lose?
outmaneuver them.
Heading there.
Blood comes easy these days. Try me. What's that?
Ellie May, my light, my hope, my joy.
Probably an animal's doing.
Where lies your guilt?
The waning moon.
Stay your hand and be... A fair point. The murdered lie silent. The raven asks, will you... Depends. This woman, yet she... They died because of her. And to this day, her I see... Through it, I can summon her spirit. And my reason, yours, will you take it? Go to...
Pigs a fight.
You have been judged and found wanted.
Never a dull moment.
I'm ready.
I wonder what the next move is.
Keep your distance, darling.
get going.